Incredible story there, Noah. Thank you. Singing River Health System cutting the ribbon on a brand new orthopedic clinic in Pascagoula. They're expanding their orthopedic services from Gulfport and Ocean Springs into Pascagoula. It's something patients have been asking for. Dr. Philip Myers will lead the new clinic, offering expert care and some cutting-edge options, including 3D printed cast, robotic-assisted surgeries, and more.
It's a wonderful testament to the patients reaching out and wanting the excellent care we've delivered in Gulfport and Ocean Springs at this point. They want it here too. So it's really answering the patient's needs of a higher standard of orthopedic care.
The clinic is now accepting new patients and is located off Denny Avenue.